NBCOT is excited to announce the new MyNBCOT online system, where you can manage your certification account and renew within minutes. To get started, simply visit NBCOT.org. Look for the MyNBCOT button on the bottom left corner of your screen. This will take you directly to the MyNBCOT homepage. If this is your first time using the site, you must first create an account. Get started by clicking on the Register button on the top right side of your screen. After you register, you will be able to check your certification status. If this is not time for you to renew, your home login screen will indicate that your certification is current. If it is time to renew your certification, you can walk through the steps to renew in just a matter of minutes. Through MyNBCOT, you can also update your contact information, check out your account history, and manage your account settings. Have you changed your name since your last certification? You can find the name change instructions under the Profile section. Once your certification is up to date, you'll also gain exclusive access to ProQuest and RefWorks. With MyNBCOT, you can renew your certification in minutes. Visit www.nbcot.org and get started today.